The ideal customer service platform is like glue, seamlessly connecting all support operations. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? Start by comparing two of the most reliable platforms, Zendesk and Intercom. Zendesk is perfect for mid-size and large businesses in retail, healthcare, and manufacturing, offering comprehensive support tools. Intercom, meanwhile, excels in e-commerce, finance, and education, focusing on enhancing customer relationships and sales cycles. But what makes Zendesk versus Intercom functionality stand out for these specific industries? Zendesk's help desk is built around two main pillars, ticketing and collaboration. You get a unified dashboard where all customer queries, phone, chat, email, and social media come together in one place. Side conversations let agents collaborate directly within tickets, bringing in teams via Slack, email, or Zendesk. So every detail is in one thread. For larger teams, Zendesk includes tools like private notes and real-time ticket views to improve teamwork. Zendesk Live Chat offers essentials like saved responses and automated triggers, along with customizable forms to gather customer info. With Zendesk Guide, you can easily create, organize, and customize help articles, including multilingual options. AnswerBot automates responses to common questions, escalating to agents as needed. While Explore provides ready-made and custom reports to give you key insights into support performance. Unlike Zendesk, Intercom is designed for business messaging with strong features in communication, automation, and sales. The single inbox dashboard allows agents to handle inquiries, add notes, and convert tickets into self-help resources. Intercom's standout feature is its chatbot automation, including the ChatGPT-powered Fin, which can resolve up to 50% of queries. Customizable bot automations, such as routing, contact information collection, and help article suggestions, help reduce repetitive tasks for agents. The platform further supports targeted messaging, custom inbox rules, and dynamic triggers based on customer segments, making it a powerful tool for customer interaction. In contrast to Intercom competitors, its reporting focuses on customer journey mapping, product performance, and retention. If you compare Intercom and Zendesk pricing systems, both offer free 14-day trials but lack a free plan. Zendesk provides clear pricing. The suite ranges from $55 to $169 per month per agent, annual billing, while the support package starts at $19 per month per user, monthly billing. Intercom cost, however, is variable, with charges based on seats, feature usage, and custom add-ons, making final costs harder to predict. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of Zendesk and Intercom? Zendesk is a powerful support tool with strong ticketing and multi-channel capabilities, making it ideal for large teams. However, it lacks in-app messaging and email marketing tools, which are essential for businesses with heavy client support needs. Intercom, in contrast, shines in client engagement with its modern, messaging-driven approach and automation features. It excels at customer communication but lacks ticketing functionality, which can be crucial for larger teams. No matter which platform you choose, you can't go wrong with either Zendesk or Intercom. And with help desk migration, moving your customer service data to either tool is fast and hassle-free. Ready to experience painless data transmission? Start your free demo trial today.